Yo, family. What's Jiggy, Europeans? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying the weekend. So this is another episode on the Forex market outlook, on the weekly Forex market outlook, actually. We ate so big on GBPUSD and XAUUSD last week on my Telegram channel, which I'll be dropping the link on the comment section. So let's go to what we're looking at. We look at GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and XAUUSD. If you have any other pair you want me to look out for, just or if you have any pair you want me to drop the setup for you guys, just drop the pair on the comment section. So we're always looking at GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and XAUUSD. So let's pay attention to what's happening on GBPUSD. Let's start with GBPUSD. So let's go to the weekly time frame on GBPUSD. If you remember what I said I think that was the 10th episode. I said something about GBPUSD coming to this support area, price coming back to this support area before a possible move or reversal upward. So I'm expecting price coming to this support area here, and not just a support area. There's a psychological key level here, which is 1.16500. So we expect price to push to this possible area before a push upward. And if you see, price has been trending downward. Price have been trending downward. And for us to confirm a very good reversal pattern here, we might see something like a double bottom before a reversal upward. Might be on the lower time frame or higher time frame. So let's see what we've got on GBP USD. So this is the support area we're expecting GBP USD to sell to before a bullish reversal. There's also a psychological level there. Let's just complement it with a rectangle. Let's label our psychological key level. You can just write a psychological key level around this area. You can just write it with your text. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. Oh, okay. Let me see. Line chart. There are some stuff you can still mark here. There's a sell pressure here coming. Confluence with this place area here. Okay. So we see price is just actually heading down. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. So currently price is heading downward. So what can we do in a scenario like this? What can we do? I always say make the trend your friend. You spot out the trend. We already know the trend is a downtrend. Yes. And what do you use to complement a trend? We use a trend line to complement a trend. This is a downtrending market around this area. This is a downtrending market. Then you use your trend line to complement the trend. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So this is what descending channel. It's as simple as that. You use your trend line to complement the trend, which we already did. Then you can change back to your candlestick to adjust the trend lines. Okay, good. So this is what we have presently on GBP USD. So we might just see price push down to this area, to this support area, and react to this trend line here before it bounce upward. But like I said, we react to, I think we can still mark some zones inside this place. Okay, good. So let's change our line. There's a buy pressure here. We can just mark it out. Okay. So let's see back on this. Price is currently on a buy pressure. So let's go. Let's also mark this area out. Okay. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You see what we've got. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. So okay, this is 4-hour time frame. So price is presently on a support area. Okay, good. So price is presently on the support area of this place. So we don't know if price is going to possibly break it downward, or we tend to see price to come back here and start pushing downward. So we might see a reaction like that. But like I said, we react to what we see. We react to what we see. And there's also an inner downtrending market here. So you can just draw a trend line from here to this place. So price might come back here, react to this trend line and start pushing downward. But we'll keep, like I said, we'll react to what we see. So that's what I'm anticipating for on GBP. That's what I'm looking out for on GBPUSD. So price is presently descending channel. So we expect price to possibly just go down, react to this trend line and start going up, or we'll see price possibly push upward and start coming down. So any reaction we see in the market, we're definitely going to respond to it. So that's what I'm looking out for on GBPUSD. There's not much thing on the 1-hour time frame. Let's go to GBPJPY. Okay, this is let's see what we can mark. GBPJPY has not been given, the weekly time frame has not been ending with good candlesticks. Series of choppy market or consolidating market on the weekly time frame, which is actually disturbing. So let's go. Let's see what we can mark. You can just change to a line chart to mark your pressures. Either the buy pressure, sell pressure, or both. Okay. Oh, there's something I can see here. This place is trending downward. This stuff looks like something that is trending downward. This particular stuff here. So let's just keep marking and looking out for the market. So we can just draw a rectangle around this area. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so let's change to line chart. Okay, can you see this clearly? This was what I spotted out that is selling, something trending downward. The one I showed up to the time frame. Can you see it's trending downward? But let's mark out our zone first before we mark out other stuff. No. Okay, let's keep marking. So price have been ranging around this area, ranging. So even paying attention to what price did last week, the price had to come back here and test this low it broke. Maybe it's going to start pushing downward. I don't know. We'll react to what we see. Let's go to the 4-hour time. Okay. This is also a descending channel on the 4-hour time frame. So let's just check for buy pressures and sell pressures. We have a buy pressure. You're forming a confluence with this area here. So let's just change the candlestick. Okay, good. Can you see that? So I can just draw a rectangle around that. Okay, good. We've done that. So price is presently trapped around this area here. So let's see. Let's see if there's something we can still mark. Is there anything we can still mark? Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour. If there's anything we can mark. Okay. Let me switch to the line. Okay, price broke a low here. Price broke a low here, which is a higher low. So let's just good. So we can also draw trend from here to here. So price might possibly just come back here for a of broken structure, then a continuation downward for a sell on GBPJPY. And it can also back natural retracement to join from here to this point. So we have our 50.0 and 61.8 around this area. So we might just see price possibly push upward to this point and start selling. We'll react to what we see also in the market. So this is what I'm looking out for on GBPJPY. This is what I'm looking out for on GBPJPY. Then let's go to the last and not the least, gold, XAUUSD. The golden. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, let me put the light zones. Okay. 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 So where the rejection happens. So let's go to the daily time frame. So let's just draw. I'm coming. So let's just mark out the rectangle. Price got rejected from that place on gold. So let's just draw a trend line, a downtrend. And also draw another trend line in this area. Okay, good. So gold is looking good. Gold is looking good on the daily time frame. So let's see what we can also mark out on gold. Okay, look at this previous here, which price is presently up. You can just draw our support to that. If price is going to even reacting areas, so that's like very good to mark out all your zones. You don't know the zone price is going to react. You don't know the zone's price is going to react. So you don't overlook zones. You mark out the zones. You don't overlook zones. You mark the zones out. You know, okay, what's going to happen. So presently in this scenario, you can just expect price to push downward here and start going up. Or price can even come here to form a second bottom and start pushing up. You never can tell. So that's why it's good to just mark out your zones because you know, okay, if this doesn't happen, this is going to happen. If this happens, this might not happen. So, and if this wants to happen, if price wants to bounce up from here, you can just back for natural retracements to drop from here to this point. So you see, you have your 61.8 around this area, which is a very, very nice confluence for this kind of setup, but you don't know what's going to happen. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Oh, can you see the bearish pressure is even, the volume is dropping, the bearish volume is dropping, but let's see. We don't know. Okay, so presently price broke this low here. Price broke this low here, and price might want to even come back for a retest before it starts selling downward, for a continuation downward. So let's just mark it out. Excuse me. So okay, good. We can just mark it out. So might just try coming back to the test here on gold and start pushing downward. So wait to see put an open break this area here before it starts going up or start bouncing up from this area. We react to what we see. So that's what I'm looking out looking out for on gold. So let's go back to GBPUSD. Let's see what we are looking out for on GBPUSD. Okay, this is what this is what we are looking out for on GBPUSD. Either price breaks below, bounce from here and starts buying, or price retraces upward and starts coming down. Why GBPJPY? Price will possibly come back to test this area here before it push downward, something like this. Retest and a continuation downward. While on gold, we're expecting price to possibly come back here for a retest, a retracement before the main impulse. So that's what I'm looking out for on XAUUSD, GBPUSD, and GBPJPY in this market. So don't forget to like, share, and smash on the subscribe button. Let's grow this channel, family. Let's grow this channel, Let's grow this channel. Stay rough, family. Peace out.